You can buy Scratchboard that's already made, but it can get a little expensive, so we're just going to make our own. The first step is to color a sheet of paper with oil pastels. You can do whatever pattern you want. Just make sure to leave as little white space as possible. Now we're going to paint a layer of black on top. I used acrylic paint and a little bit of dish soap, but if I were going to do it again, I would use tempera paint and a lot more dish soap, just to be safe. Just paint a solid layer over your whole paper and let it dry for a few minutes and paint a second layer. Before we work on the Scratchboard, you'll need to design your Greek vase on a sheet of paper. To transfer that design onto our Scratchboard, you'll need to color the whole back of your paper with your vase on the front. Flip your paper over and use a small piece of tape in each corner to attach it to your Scratchboard. Then you're going to trace over your whole drawing. You don't have to dig in super hard, but you do need a good bit of pressure to transfer that pencil on the back. Lift up your paper and you'll see that your design transferred. Then take your scratching tool and start to lightly trace over all of your pencil lines. Start with a little bit of pressure and you can always bear down harder as you need to. Because I used acrylic paint, my lines didn't scratch off as cleanly as I would like, so that's why I recommend tempera.